Hey guys, I'm here today to present something different. I believe it's something uh, new I implement in my project named Mini N8N or Mini Automator is the new name. I rebrand the name. I'm kidding. Um, uh, the idea here, if you notice, I have a chat, a workflow assistant, and this assistant is a AI assistant specialized in take my nodes, my native nodes here, like API webhook, condition, code loop, and the other nodes, my custom nodes. You don't know what is the custom nodes, you need to check the playlist, okay? There I can explain how to create a custom node and install in your own project, but here let's focus in workflow assistant. The workflow assistant is an AI chatbot where I can add new nodes for me based on the text I type here or update. Let's say I want to make a request, and I want to make a request, I don't know, for this URL here, dump dumpjson.com slash to dos. So I can say add a node to make HTTP request. So under the hood, my AI agent analyze all the nodes I have available in that moment and take the best one for me. So in this case, take the AI, take the API. So if you notice, the endpoint is not the endpoint, don't have a API endpoint. So I can say update the the trigger API 2 node to set URL as. So the idea here is I'm showing the feature to add a node, and I showing the feature to update. So if I execute here, you can see the to dos. So imagine I want to extract, uh, I don't know, the to dos are completed. So one, two, two. So I can say something like create a node to run run a code for me. So the idea is add a new node to run code. In this case, this guy here. But if you notice, I have only this guy here. So update trigger code tree to set a code where we'll take the output from trigger API 2 and filter by column completed equal true and return. So the idea is take the to dos where completed is equal true, okay, and return for me. So let's see if this guy can do this for me. Let's open here. So okay, I need to update this guy here using this expression. Uh, Honestly, I don't need this part here. I can do something like that. These state steps, so I can take the data from this step, the step two, using the step name. So I can put here steps dot output to take the result of the second node, output to dos to take the to dos, okay. Filter items completely go through. So that's it. So let me save here and check everything is run, can run. Syntax, probably something here. Let me check. Filter, filter completed. Yeah. I don't know. I don't need this extra. And believe. Let me connect the node 2 and 3. So I have the two do's, but with the the step 3 only return from me the two do's where the completed column key is equal to. Okay. So let's say I want to make a request from this endpoint to send the two do's completed. I don't know, something like that. Give me a moment to copy here. It's a good tool to create fake webhooks. Add node to make API requests. I change a little bit the how to ask about a new node to where you can see how the stuff work. Okay. Um, in this case, I need to take the output from this trigger and use here. Okay. So the first step is update trigger API for to set URL in method as post. So after that, my idea is set the value returned from the output from the code node inside here. So okay, update trigger API for to set on request body the key data, and the value is the output from trigger code 3 node. Let's see what's happened here. Wait a moment. Here you can see the structure. Okay, so let's run here. Let's see here. So now you can see the to-dos where is the completed to-dos. So this is a automation. Um, uh, process to-dos completed. Let's say something like that. And save. So I can here to-dos, go in the end, action, edit. Now here you have a automation about to do where trigger the to do's. I forgot here. Completed to do's. I'm not sure. I lost. Okay, let me use this as example here. So here you can notice in a edition page, you can use the workflow assistant too. Okay, the same way I presented in the page where you can create a workflow, you can apply in a page where you can edit the workflow. Okay, so that's it. I will do the video explain under the hood how I implemented, how I create the prompts, because I need to provide the structure from the it node to the Gemini to Gemini understand when I ask about make a query in Postgres, what type of node I want, what the expected structure the Postgres node needs, and I will show you how I split the like I create a mood agent applying use tools to create multi agents, one agent to add, one agent to update. Uh, it agent specialized in one part. So that's it, guys. Thank you for your time. See you soon. I almost forgot. If you need help for something, a logic, or create a solution, I will put my email address in the comments. So you need someone to help you teach you about something. You can make a send me an email. You can discuss this and make a meeting. Okay. So bye bye.